Hi everyone, it's Miss Harkins, and this video is going to focus on how to add research to Google Keep that has been located online. As you can see, I am in Google Keep and I have a blank canvas where I can start adding my research. Now let's pretend, for example, that I am completing a project in geography on the city of Cardiff, and I have found some research that I would like to use. So firstly, I have found this graph which shows the increase in the population of people in the city of Cardiff from the years 2002 all the way up to 2019. And I have also found a website that I think will be particularly useful for my project. And as you can see, it's a BBC Bitesize website, and it's on the topic of urbanisation in contrasting cities. And as you can see, it's focusing on the city of Cardiff. So this is an additional piece of research that I think will be really useful for my project. So let's focus on the image first. Now, usually I would just copy and paste this into a Word document. However, I want to make sure that I've stored it correctly, and I want to be able to easily share this image with somebody else. So I am going to right click, and I am going to select copy image, as I would usually do if I were copying this image into a Word document. However, instead of pasting this image into Word, I am now going to return to Google Keep. And I'm now going to click on the option Take New Note, and I'm going to call this Population Graph of Cardiff. And I'm now going to click in the Take Note section. I'm simply going to Control V, and as you can see now, my image has loaded into this particular note. And I'm also going to right click on the image of the graph, and this time I'm going to select copy link address and then paste this back into the note section. And now, as you can see, the hyperlink is now attached to the image of the graph. And this is just to make sure that I can access this research later on. And now, for example, I can click on this and click open link. It takes me back to the original source where that graph came from. In addition to storing images in your Google Keep, you can also store website links, and this is the initial website that I liked, Urbanisation in Contrasting Cities. So now I'm going to click on the URL and I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to Google Keep. I'm going to click on the section Take Note. I'm now going to paste my link into here. Remember to give your note a title. So this is the Bitesize website, and it was on urbanisation. So I'm just going to make sure I give that a title. And as you can see now, I have saved my image as well as the link to a website that I wanted. And as you can see, this is an extremely useful tool for storing all of your research in just the one place.